Hey guys, so I'm at home right now. So I have a chair at home. I love it. I'm on the Balance Body Exo chair, and we're going to use the red Slastix hooked up to the back of the chair. So it's just one red Slastix, and we're going to do like a short box series just sitting on the chair. All right, so normally I normally have the strap like on the top of my feet, just making sure that it's holding me in. And then we'll just start with flat back. So sitting really tall, keep the abs in. We'll just keep the arms out to start. And then flat back hinge, sit up tall. Keeping the abs in. We'll just do 8 of everything. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. You can always stay back. You can always add the pulses in, but I'm just going to stay back and I'm just going to bring the arms up and down. You could use a magic circle. You could use weights. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Good. Sitting up, resting for a second. So next we'll just go into a round back and we'll add a little rotation. So I'll keep the arms out again, scooping the belly, rounding back, sitting up really tall. So scooping, rounding, sit up really tall. Let's try 6 more. 6, 5. So basically just the short box, but on the chair. 4, 3, 2. Last one, we'll stay back. You can always add the pulses in, but I'm going to go into opening one arm. So open one arm, look in that direction. Other side. Try 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Awesome. Resting. You can sit up. So now we'll go into the oblique, the short box series with one leg out. So you want to have one leg bent on top of the chair. For the strap, I normally keep it on the arch of my foot. So the heel is normally sticking out. So you could either bring the arms out to the side or you can interlace the hands. I'm going to stay here and just go down and up. It's a little movement. You really don't need to go far with this one. I'm already feeling it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Let's stay over. Let's add the pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5. It's a tiny movement. I'm really feeling it though. 3, 2. Last one. And I have one spring on the chair so we could use it to stretch. And then we'll go into a rotate next. All right, so hands behind the head, go over and then rotate to the floor, back to the side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. So I'm going to face the floor. I'm going to go up and down. This is a little movement, but I'm already feeling it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Good. You could bring your hands on the pedal. You can stretch. I do like the stretch with the foot in the strap. It kind of feels like it's pulling, lengthening you. Okay, good. We'll lift up. We'll do one more rotate on the side and then we'll flip over and do the other side. So dipping over again, rotate up to the ceiling, back to the side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. One more stretch. Those are hard. Woo. Okay, And then we're gonna flip over. We're gonna do exactly everything we just did on the other side. So you wanna make sure your setup is good. My ankle, so it's not on the ankle, it's on the arch of the foot with the heel out of the strap. So just make sure you're in a good setup. And then we're gonna dip over, lifting up. Keep the abs in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, staying over little pulses. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, and then hand on stretch. Okay, good. We're going to add that rotate now. So hands behind the head, dipping over, rotate to the floor, back to the side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, facing the floor, going up and down. It could be a tiny little movement. I'm already feeling it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to bring both hands to the pedal, do a stretch. Okay, good. And then the last one, we're just going to do one last rotate. So hands behind the head, dip over, rotate to the ceiling, back to the side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Definitely feeling it. Last one. Stretch over. So that's just a little bit of what I use the red Slastix on my chair at home. If you have any questions, you can comment, send me a message. Till next time.